Hello and welcome to another Naughtyegg Draw. I'm Jake, and today I'm going to be doing a review on the Snap Redbubble phone case. Now I am going to say I'm not sponsored by Redbubble, so this is just my honest opinion on everything. Oh, and also at the end of this video I am going to do a quick review on the shirts from Redbubble as well. So in my last video we went over making the design for this case, so if you want to see how I made that, go check it out. I'm going to have a link for it down below. But I'm ready to dive into this, so let's go check out the unboxing real quick. Alright, here it is. Let's open it up and see how it looks. I really like the bag that they sent this in too. Alright, I like the thickness of this, and it's actually glossier than I expected it to be. But the print came out perfect on here. It's super clear. I love the way this looks. Alright, now just to get the case. There we go. Now that fits super snug, but it's still really easy to get it onto the phone. I'm also really happy the design wraps around the side because, to be honest, I was a little worried they weren't going to, so I'm really happy they did. Alright, so it's actually been a couple days since I've opened the case, and honestly, I'm really liking it. I'm really picky when it comes to phone cases. I like the feel of just the phone, so I don't like it too bulky. Now, if you're someone who likes your phone a little bit more protected than what this gives you, so this one is the Snap. And they do have a second option, which is going to be the Tough. Now, the Tough case is a little bit more protective because it does protect all the sides and it has a little rubber insert that you put on first. But with all that being said,
it's pros and cons time!
And kids, they really cheered.
So for the first pro is the print quality is really good on here. This looks really crisp. It looks just like it did when I made it on the computer. The second pro is that honestly it just fits really, really snug. It's not going to fall off anytime soon. You kind of have to pry it just a little bit, but you can get it off if you want to. And number 3, so far it seems to withstand scratches pretty well. Now number 4 is more based on opinion for me. I really like the glossiness of this, but for some of you that might be a con. And for the 5th pro, it came really fast. I got this within a week. For the last pro, if you're a creator, this is a great way to show off your work to the world. And if you're not a creator and you're just out buying a case, you're also supporting artists around the world. Now for the sad part, the cons. So I actually only have one con, and it's not even that big of a con, but this thing is a little spendy. It's about $25 plus shipping for it, but you also are buying an artist's original work. And one way to get around this con is actually Redbubble does have coupons every once in a while, so if you get it at the right time, this con could be a pro. And like I said, I would do a quick review at the end of this video on the shirts, and to be honest, I really like the way that it turns out. I love the print. It's really clear. The shirt seems like it's a really good quality. Now, I do suggest getting one size larger than what you normally wear. This is a large, which is about the size I normally wear, and it's pretty tight, so next time I'll probably be getting an extra large. And one thing I want to add, if you get it and it smells like vinegar, don't worry, that is actually normal. It's part of the printing process. And if that is the case, just rinse it in cold water or just wash it for the first time and that smell will go away. And if you guys want to check out any of my products on Redbubble, I'm going to leave a link for that down below, so if you want to get something for yourself, go check that out. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you haven't yet, make sure you smack that sub button, throw a like and a comment down below, and like always, keep drawing, and until next time, bye!